So right after I started, I kind of tried to look at reconciling between what our access program showed that we were billing for, and then we actually have Waterworks who actually does our billing. And then I tried to do a comparison between the two. And unfortunately, when I did that, I found 1,760 discrepancies between that. And then after we did that, then we actually went and did a field audit, and even some of that did not coincide with what our systems were. So when we were doing that, yeah, it was even worse. Yeah, so we tried to find a software that we could be able to account for the cart, so in these ways, when we were providing the service, we were getting compensated for the service that we were providing.
You know, one of the big things, as I mentioned, education to our customers, getting the message out, but really, you know, every event, our outreach team, every time they speak with people, you got 10 to 20 questions about specific items. You know, where can I put this? You know, what do I do about the plastic film in the envelope? And so, you know, being able to communicate that, give them a tool where they could go in and search for themselves. What do I do with, you know, a cardboard box or whatever? And then, you know, we can work on the back end with providing that information, and then really just work on promoting the app so that they can access and kind of have that resource at their fingertips.
So the biggest problem that the city's been trying to solve with our waste program has been routing, ensuring that our drivers know the route that they're driving, whether that be a new driver coming in or another driver having to replace someone who may be out sick or whatever that may be. So having dedicated routes that anybody can learn, once they learn how to operate the truck, they can go on the route and be able to do it without having to have guidance.
We were trying to find more efficiencies in our programs, ways that we could improve both the customer interface as well as our interface with our customer, and try and find a balance where we could lower our fees through more efficient practices. Go-backs, as we call them, can be very costly. When you have to go back and service a container that previously wasn't out, that wasn't a fault of our own. So now we're able to take photographs of that can that's not out, and then if we need to go back and service that, then we charge the customer for that, which has led to a huge cost saving to the other customers that we charge.